What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be installing what I'm going to be attempting to be a banner just right here. This is Corey. But yeah, just a piece of vinyl that I got on Amazon for like $5 or $6. It's 12 inches by 6 feet, which should be plenty, but it's vinyl and it's pretty thick. It's not like a normal car banner, which is pretty thin, so I don't know if it'll work, but once Corey's done doing his homework, he's gonna help me. But yeah, pretty much what I've been doing is I got dish soap and water, and I've just been putting it right here on the windshield. I know it's all cracked and ugly, but I'm just gonna test out with this, see if it works, and then if it does, then I'll get a new windshield eventually. Probably not, but what I've been doing is getting the razor and just putting a lot of soapy water, just a lot, and then scraping it up and down like that, just to get all the grime off it, because you can see, like, you probably can't see. Maybe, yeah, right there you can see like all the little particles, like they get stuck to the window. It's a lot cleaner up here. It's not the cleanest, I'm not fully done yet, but I'll do that some more. And then I have some rubbing alcohol over there, or it's not rubbing alcohol, just alcohol. And then I'll put that on here just to get it all clean, to get all the residue off, because I don't know if the soapy water will stay on there. And then we'll use this, maybe use what is it called, a blow dryer for your hair, right? Yeah, not a heat gun, just a blow dryer, so we can get it like all tucked in these corners, but we'll see. And then yeah, this is the legal limit. If you guys didn't know, this is like, shoot, can get a focus. I don't know what ASI means. Comment down below what that means. But what this means right here, look at the dude. What this means right here is like, you can't really have a banner, you're not supposed to, but I think if you're over this, you can. But this is where your like sun strip should go. You can see the windshield's darker. This is the legal limit, so you can't go anything under that, because then the cops could get you or will get you. But I was gonna go right there to play it safe, but that won't look that good, so I think I'm gonna go a little bit lower just so it'll look cool. And yeah, if I get pulled over, then I guess I'll have to take it off, but I'll be good as of now. Alright guys, so the homie Frank lost his boot. I had boot on here and zip tie ripped off, and my friend Jonathan just hit me up and said to go get my boots in the street, so we're gonna go get that. Poor freaking Frank, his boot fell off. Oh, what the fuck?
My dad brought... I'll just grab it out the door now.
Oh, I guess. There's the boot! The homie Frank's boot. Oh my gosh. That's funny. Alright guys, sorry for the wind. It's pretty windy, and I don't have one of those fancy mics. But I guess it is rubbing alcohol. I'm just gonna put a little bit on here. And just moisturize that cloth, you know what I'm saying? And then now we're just gonna wipe it down. Look at that dude doing his own. Look at that dude. Yeah, but we got Frank's boot, so we're good now. I just gotta wipe this little, get everything. I know it's not really gonna help because it's windy, but I mean, better than nothing, right? Alright guys, so I measured. I'm gonna be putting it from here. This is the legal limit. I'm just going over about 1.5 inches. Oh shit. Not anything crazy, but from the top, from right here all the way to where this is 7.5 inches. So I'm just gonna, because this is by 12 inches, so I'm just gonna go like this, put it from there, and then I'll just cut all the excess off. But yeah, let's get started. Alrighty guys, so now we got it on there. Now what you gotta do is just trim off all this, and then right here there's a little air pocket, but I need to cut all this so I can push it out. And yeah, so in order to get this done, I don't know if that's too close. I bet I'm doing this one-handed. But pretty much what I did right here is, you guys see that? You like push it in with your fingernail, like kind of like that. And then you just get your razor blade like this, and you like poke it through, and then you go all the way up, but you push it in, so when you cut it, you don't cut it like, let's say like out here, and then you see like part of your windshield, so it cuts and it's like embedded under the trim, so it looks like a professional job, even though, I mean, it looks pretty good for Stone Broke Garage standards. Alright guys, the banner's now all on. There's a little bit of air bubbles, but barely anything. When you're starting like this far, you can't even see them. You can barely see them right there. The camera doesn't pick it up, but it came out pretty good. I like how it's not too low, so where it looks like fully legal and gets all the attention, but it is bright pink and it is a little bit past the legal mark, so it looks good. And I still got another roll. I might put that on 240, not sure. Look at this dude. What is he laughing about? But yeah, I had some excess. So, you already know I put the matte eyes. Let's go see how the lights look. No, you can't even see them. I think I'm gonna just leave that on just for shits and giggles. You can see I just threw random pieces. But yeah guys, that's pretty much how you make a banner. This is, like I said, 12 inches by 6 feet worth of vinyl. I don't know the exact color, I already forgot, but maybe if I remember I'll put it in the description down below. But yeah, DIY banner for $5 shipped, free shipping and everything. So yeah, if you guys want to make a pretty cool banner, there you go. Yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.